Should you buy Alibaba stock? Alibaba stock jumped 14% today after the company announced a new structure to its business. Alibaba is going to be broken up into 6 separate companies: China Commerce, Global Commerce, Local Services, Logistics, Cloud, and Digital Media. These separate companies will have their own management and governance and will have the option to IPO later down the track. So why has Alibaba done this? Well, clearly, Alibaba believes its business is being crippled by Chinese regulators. Splitting the company up means Alibaba's separate businesses have a greater chance to thrive and reach their potential, and this move makes Alibaba appear less like a monopoly. But what does this mean for Alibaba investors? Well, it's not clear yet whether the 6 businesses are going to be spun off as their own public companies, or if they're going to exist within the Alibaba group. My guess is that the best performing segments will eventually get spun off, and if you do own Alibaba stock, you're going to receive shares in those individual spin-offs when that happens. It's important to note that Alibaba as a whole looks undervalued. Its commerce segment made $26 billion in EBITDA in 2022. Put a 10 times multiple on that figure and you get a value of $260 billion, which is already more than the current market cap. Alibaba Cloud made only $200 million EBITDA in 2022, but cloud is higher margin and has higher growth potential, so put a 25 times multiple on that figure and you get a market cap of around $5 billion. Meanwhile, local services, logistics and digital media are all loss-making and smaller in scope. There's also an innovation segment which is smaller as well and will remain part of the parent. My preference would be to hang on to the commerce and cloud businesses and sell the rest, but obviously it depends at what value these individual companies will trade for in the marketplace. There are risks too. The CCP may try to penalise this restructuring, and there could be issues if these new companies are not listed in the US. Overall though, I think this news should unlock at least some value for Alibaba shareholders. And as China opens up, there's growth potential here as well. So I give the stock a bullish rating after this news, but these are my personal opinions, not financial advice. For more detailed investing ideas, visit our website, overlookedalpha.com.